Calibration logs finalized for Unit 7.
AI version 12.4.1 confirmed. Validated.
Assembly line 7 reporting green.
Calibration complete. Ready for activation.
Ensure the quantum regulators are synchronized before the next phase begins.
Acknowledged. Running diagnostics now.
Joint mobility confirmed at 98% tolerance.
Rework tag applied. Diagnostics are showing an anomaly in the power coupling.
All units synchronized. Repeat phrase. A rolling stone gathers no moss.
Endurance levels nominal.
Check the throughput on line 3. The AI optimization seems to be lagging.
It's within tolerance, but let's run a diagnostic on the robotic arms anyway.
Scan the manifest again. Are the AI modules powered down?
Confirmed, sir. All modules showing cold status.
Moving to AI safety check.
Emergency protocols verified on Unit 7. Seals are intact.
Ready for shipment.
Quality control check passed on Unit 74. Ready for crating.
Confirmed. The forklift is already in position for pickup.
Scan the QR and confirm the inspection tag is secured.
Confirmed. Data uploaded to the central log.
Crate integrity confirmed. Documentation attached.
AI diagnostics complete. Battery at 100%. Ready for storage.
We're seeing consistent results across the battery modules. Keep the pace steady.
The Alpha Quadrant is at 98% efficiency.
Reroute Unit 7 to assist with the lubrication schedule.
Efficiency is holding steady at 98%.
The new routing algorithm is performing above projections.
The calibration on Unit 7 seems off.
Run diagnostics on Unit 7, then resume standard operation. The simulation passed the stress test.
Good. Let's push the update to the main assembly line.
Maintenance log updated. Robot A Unit 7 successfully calibrated the primary sensor array.
Check the weight distribution on joint 4. We have stabilization.
Copy that. Proceeding with the lock sequence.
We're seeing repeated stress fractures at the junction.
The tolerances are too tight. We need to adjust the schematics immediately.
The AI status remains optimal during the stress test.
Confirmed. The pass ratio is holding steady at 98%.
The adjustment to the flow rate is complete. Efficiency is back to 99%.
Place this pallet on shelf C7, designated slot. Make sure the count is updated immediately.
These results confirm the extended lifespan under load.
Excellent. Adjusting the parameters now.
Check the synchronization metrics on Unit 7. The calibration seems slightly off.
Rerunning the diagnostic now. The fluctuation is minimal. The calibration is complete. All parameters are within spec.
Excellent. Approved for transfer to the next stage.
Alignment on line 4 is complete. All metrics are green.
Confirmed. Releasing the lock and proceeding to the next phase. Efficiency is holding at 98%.
The autonomous optimization is clearly effective.
We're reaching extreme conditions on Unit 7. The motor coordination is failing.
I see it.
Increasing the load stabilizers now.
The alignment on Unit 7B is holding steady.
Good. Let's monitor the power coupling on the next cycle.
The gate analysis on Unit 7 is still showing minor instability.
Reroute power to the knee servos and...
All serial numbers scanned and verified for the new shipment.
Excellent. Ensure the automated forklifts route them to Bay 4.
The oscillation on the number 3 coupling is spiking again.
Rerouting the power flow now. The robots on Sector Gamma should stabilize it.
The sensor calibration on Unit 7 is complete. We are maintaining the projected output schedule.
Check the synchronization metrics on the limb modules.
99.9%, holding steady.
All parameters are within tolerance.
The flow rate is optimized.